everyone. I'm Helen. I'm the national artist for Sephora collection.
And I'm Myiesha, Sephora beauty director.
I'm Melinda, also a beauty director, and today we're talking about dry skin. It's been really cold. Even here in LA, it gets cold. My skin feels it a little bit with the colder weather, and it gets really dry. So we have some solutions for you. All body skincare, which has been like a huge topic lately.
Yeah, I think it's super important during winter. I think it's important all year round. I don't really understand the science of me having such oily skin here and dry skin everywhere else. But I have eczema. My skin gets really itchy at night in the winter time, so I have to do my routine. Otherwise, I can't even go to sleep. So these are some really great products. They're like a little exfoliation, a little body oil, some lotion, some really, really great picks.
Yeah, I feel like we have something for everybody here.
I feel like you and me, Helen, we love our faux tanner.
Yes,
And
too much.
I feel like body skincare, especially in the winter, those colder months, makes a huge difference with the longevity of your tanner. If you're using that when you can't, be out in the sun getting that nice sun-kissed skin as often. So that's huge for me as well. I just have such dry skin. I have to exfoliate. And at some point, all the work that we're doing on our face is going to start showing. All the work on our skin, you know what I mean, on the rest of our body isn't going to quite match up.
Exactly. I feel like exfoliating is super important.
And the deeper your skin is, the more you see those dry skin cells, which is super important. So a lot of times when you have fair skin, you don't see it.
Yeah.
But it's there.
It's there.
It's there, I promise.
It's a skin color.
So let's do the first product because I feel like I'm recommending all my favorite stuff. So I'm just really excited to talk about these.
Yes, I'll jump in. So the first one I want to talk about is from First Aid Beauty, and this is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. So this is a body scrub, not only has some physical exfoliants to it that's going to help kind of slough off that dead skin, but it also has alpha hydroxy acid, which acts as a chemical exfoliant to dig deep and really make sure that you're kind of creating that cell renewal. You're creating new skin that's coming out that's really fresh, baby smooth skin. What's really awesome about this is actually made for KP bumps, which is something that I experience, especially in the colder months of the year, usually on the back of my arm. Do either of you get those?
I don't, but I know so many people in my life who do, so I
you're
feel like I
lucky.
can really appreciate this product.
Yes.
Or if you just have rough skin,
For
like
sure.
you can still use this product.
Yeah,
even
you
if
don't
get
have
heat.
to have like the specific kind of bumps that it's talking about. It will work for your skin still, but it's killer. And when I get those little bumps, those little irritation, especially because I have a lighter skin tone, like it looks red and just irritated, and it makes me a little bit self-conscious when I'm wearing like tank tops or whatever it might be, because even though it's cold, I still live in LA, and so my arms might be out. And so this is like my saving grace. I'm obsessed with it. I just target those areas where I get it, sometimes on my knees and elbows, because like I said, it can do more for you than just target those KP bumps, and it's incredible. So your friend
Yeah,
has
so
got to try
many-
this.
Yeah, they love it.
A lot of the products that we're going to talk about today have AHAs or alpha hydroxy acids in them because they work so well to kind of get rid of all those dead skin cells. They just kind of slough them off. The body peels, the Glow Recipe lotion. So that's something you want to look for, I think, in a body product for sure.
For sure. So along the lines of exfoliating, I'm also super passionate about exfoliating your skin, especially during the winter, but I feel like your body cannot get moisturized if you don't exfoliate. So I have chosen the Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Alpha Beta Exfoliating Body Treatment Peel. These are amazing. They still make them for the face, and they made a bigger version for the bod, and I am so into it. They just have the perfect blend of AHAs and BHAs. They also have bakuchiol in them, so not only do they exfoliate, but they also help to like tone your skin. Super gentle, just something that's really going to give you the perfect exfoliation. And I mean, this is also super travel friendly too. It's just one towelette that you can take on the go, which is great.
These are gold.
These are
If
gold.
you don't feel like doing the actual scrubby stuff in the shower and all that, that is so much easier.
Yeah.
We used to beg for body peel pads when we would talk to Dr. Dennis Gross. We're like, please, they're so good on the face, make body ones, and he did.
So good.
You
I
should
can
try
see
them.
you sitting there with like the little ones, just like
I know.
The little ones,
because
like,
when I would do my
décolleté.
face with
Yeah.
the little ones, I would do my elbows and my knees with the
Same.
leftover.
Oh my
yeah.
gosh, I'm like, we're all doing the same thing. But yes, this is like excellent for that. And especially if you do self-tanner, you can focus a lot on your knees and elbows, and it definitely takes care of any rough skin there.
yeah, even skin tone and like just smoothing it out.
Yeah, it's great.
So the next thing I recommend is having a good shower, because I feel like it just all starts in the shower. If you're gonna do a body scrub or whatever, I just feel like everyone has to have a good body wash. So this is the body wash from Necessaire, and it has niacinamide in it, which I didn't really quite know what niacinamide did for the body, because I know for the face it regulates oil production, but it does a similar thing on the body where it regulates your moisture levels and just like soothes the skin. And niacinamide is in almost like every skincare product because it's just so good for the skin. This one is a eucalyptus one, which I really like. It's not overpowering. I can't do things that are too powerful scent wise in the shower. This is a perfect level of fragrance. They also have an unscented one, but this is just great. Like, have yourself a nice Sunday spa day, whatever day you do it, exfoliate, like have a great foamy, delicious smelling shower. Like, it is so worth it.
And speaking of showering and potentially moisturizing or not, depending on where you're at in your week and how much energy you have in yourself, but this moisturizer is definitely worth it in my opinion, and I will take the extra time because I've noticed such a difference with it. So this is from Glow Recipe, and it's the Watermelon Glow AHA Pink Dream Body Cream. And not only is it cute because it's a little pink bottle and it's Glow Recipe and everything they do is cute, but it also has those AHAs that we were talking about, those alpha hydroxy acids, so it's going to help exfoliate your skin while pumping moisture in. And I know we've
love a 2-for-1.
Yes.
Great. I'm like, yes, get it done.
Well, I mean, because we talk about body skincare and we want to exfoliate, we want to moisturize, but I mean, everyone's busy and we're focused on our face. We have our skincare for our face, but we want to do a little something for our body. So for me, it's got to be 2-for-1. It's got to do more than just one thing. It's that efficiency. And this really does. It has watermelon seed oil that's going to be really hydrating, the AHAs in it, which is going to exfoliate. I also find it's very soothing for my skin. So after using something like my First Aid Beauty scrub that maybe is a little bit more of a heavy exfoliant, this is fantastic for me, and the AHAs are not too much to do both. My skin can handle both, no problem. And even using this throughout the week, if you're not popping out of the shower, on your hands and arms has been the most significant for me as well. So
good
everyone
in the
talks about
wintertime.
your hands.
Yes.
They go quick, you know, they're on the steering wheel in the sun. You want to make sure you're focusing on them too, because eventually, you know, you'll see the difference.
And I do feel like my hands are always dry in the wintertime, so that's like perfect.
Exactly. So just even having this for your hands is a game changer. So body, hands, everything. I love this one.
So along the lines of just hydrating your skin, we have the Clarins Tonic Body Firming Treatment Oil. This is a favorite for a really long time amongst our clients. I feel like a lot of people have tried this, and if you haven't, now's the time. It's a great product for winter. I feel like a lot of pregnant women love this product because it is like a firming tonic. So it has mint, it has geranium oil in it. It smells really like herbaceous and lovely, but it will visibly like tone your skin, give you lots of hydration. It's just overall a really great kind of firming and hydrating product.
Yeah,
This smells so good. This smells like, we always talk about cocktails. This smells like
it's so
like,
good.
It smells like the thing they do when they like give you a massage and they like put, you know, they do like take a deep breath. I'm like,
it has
relaxation.
It has essential oils in it. I've been rubbing that on my belly for 8 months, and it's really good because again, with the essential oils, a lot of times with nausea too, it just makes you feel better. It's a whole body experience because you get really itchy as your belly grows. It's so soothing. I just love the way that smells. That makes me want to go to bed.
Yeah, I've heard it's great for like, I've heard it's great for like stretch marks and things like that too. So really, really good for just anybody who wants some good hydration and some toning.
So our last one, I feel like in a few short years has become a classic. I feel like almost everyone's experienced this product, and it's a body cream. So this is from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Brazilian Boom Boom body cream. This is the original. They have a few different scents now as well as an unscented one. This is the original, and it has a gourmand scent, which we call warm and spicy. It's like vanilla, pistachio, things like that in it, which are really nice. And I'm not usually someone who likes a super gourmand fragrance, and I still really enjoy this, but the texture of this overall is so good. It's really nice and thick, but it's not so thick that you feel like sticky after you apply it, which I really like. It's nice and lightweight, but it's great. It has cupuaçu butter in there, which is like a Brazilian, I think they use it for dessert, so you can kind of like, smells like like fresh cookies or something like
Yeah,
that, but it's not
it does.
overpowering. It also has some coconut oil in it too. I just think it's a really great body cream to have around, and just choose whichever one you prefer the scent of, but this one is probably the most popular, I would say, amongst people. I give this as gifts all the time because it's just such a crowd pleaser.
I feel like this body cream has such a great like whipped texture, so it really does absorb pretty quickly into this. Yeah, I just love it. It doesn't make you feel sticky, so if you're wearing like a wool sweater, it's not like it's not becoming like a glue situation.
Yeah,
it's really great.
you can put this on and get dressed right away.
Totally.
So it's really great texture-wise.
Which is good for the winter because when you're cold and you put on the lotion or after a shower or whatever like that, I'm like so quick to want to put my clothes on, which is oftentimes why I don't get the moisturizer.
Yeah,
sure.
you only moisturize the areas that people see. You got ripped jeans on, you just put a little lotion where people can see.
So pro tip.
So there you go. These are some of our top recommendations for body care, things that we really use, that we have found that really work for people too. Leave maybe your favorite body products in the comment section. I'm always looking for something new to kind of add to my routine to try out. I feel like that would be fun for all of you to share. As always, please subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos, and make sure you like this video so we know, you're into it. And we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.